Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shisngi hadian ka jing Khlad no jing kisau ngut ki hebred naga ju ke ying naga jing syak betep haka Khyndew kabatwa namar ka jing thiar ulaba. Myntri ka sorkar jela uba akar menshella ha kasngi thok dieng ulah hiar ban Jurip bat ban let jengo ya ka long ying kabalamat ya ka apot sepsngi hasnong Leit larem. Ha kani kasngi lasan ran lang yu uba akar menshella do MLA ka mauplang uba Eugene lengdo. Ki officer katana disaster management bat ki board district bakan thop ya UBDO nakalyang uba kermen ulapen pawe ka jing sngosi halor ka jing do no ka yeng ka sem ya saungut ki khun kani ka jingja ka penlong yu ban lejngo bat ai men siem ya ki bahayeng hasem ban pen paw ba ka sorkar ka dan rengkat bat ki ula ongru kumbala kular do Myntri rangba ban ai ka jingrap ka basaw lak tengka na ka bantai iwe ikhun balaklan na kalyang ka jong u haringkat katnat badai pet ken persang ban pen kloy ban pen yo ya kani ka pisa ula ken turu ikipat ba baken pikir bat husiar ha kani ka por bajur uslam ula ongru ba kalong kaman na ka jing jur uslam kalong ka bashar kheba ha kaleng ki benta ka jella nakalyang Myntri ha kani ka ju kasngi ula let ban pet ru ya ka Jaka ba ka Khyndew kalatwa bat ula Jurip ru ya ki katu kani ki Jaka ki bala ban shakta ban yada na ki jingma bat ban penkloy ki jing yaram.
It's really sad to see that what happened to this family, especially they have lost 4 of their family members. It's really pain to see after seeing the dead body of this 4 members of this family. I feel so sad and somehow I don't know what to say regarding with this, that how much pain that this family has suffered. We from outside we might not be able to ease their pain, but by coming here I feel that we show respect and we show that we are with the family. If they are in need of us, we are ready to be a part of that, whether in pain or in any kind of sadness they face. And secondly is that for me, it makes me to come here and visit this place is that after seeing that, after I saw that message, that news, what had happened in this family, it cannot stop me. And the entire department also, we call them so that we can come and witness it with our own eyes, and then so that we can speed up the process when it comes to ex gratia and then any kind of need and support which they require. So we are ready and we are with the family, and at the same time I would like to request our people that they should be very much alert when it comes to this situation. We have witnessed while coming to this place, there's almost the entire road is flood, so it's covered with water. So I request the people of our state that to be very much alert, and whenever you travel anywhere, so please be careful. And one more thing I would like to announce that as per mentioned that even the Chief Minister has been announced that ex gratia will be given for lakh. So from our department, as per this norm, NDRF norm, so we'll try to speed it up so that the family members can utilize this money, so that yes, no doubt we do feel that this money cannot ease their pain, but this is our duty to help family members, especially those who lost their life. Yeah, actually as of now, we alert the entire state, especially those most affected area like districts. So we have give the direction to all the deputy commissioners and the BDOs, and all are in line. So as of now, we are trying to help and give support as much as we can. And I remember yesterday when we had a meeting with the Chief Minister, he mentioned that we should not waste much time in meetings and all. The most important is that we should be on the ground level. And one more thing I would like to say, that from our side, the government and the departments, we are trying to work hard as much as we can so that to save life, we cannot afford to even lose a single life. So if God's will that we cannot stop, but from our side, as much as we can, we are trying to stop that. We should not lose any single life.
Kamu suka kalau ada nem kajing tua Khyndew hari ini bentar.
Suara malu malang bantu pemerintah pada kehapusan indai orang mentang menala kehapusan tahun ya kajian dia bang dia tua sebab long
Niyo iba hadin kani ka jingja nakaliang jong sarkar nakaliang minister lawan sundan hani ka yang jong ti nakaliang sarkaru kalapan banaban ai ka jingrap ya ka yang jong kun jong ti hisngo kumno hisngo kala biang kani ka jingrap jong sarkar ni ka ai ka wajing don kam pidang don kam
dia apa kan
nak benta gini giba sedang syak sumar ke sarkar ke nakaliang jong minister ni sarkar ki kular ba kabay dawai ni kabay sumar tengam no pensai idan menin hang tu hapor baka kelam ni ka Khyndew hapo ayang idan yo I la banyak tu ka jakam noที่มีดังเทียดังเทียได้คุ้มลูกที่ไรคุ้มลูกมาพี่ไรเราพี่ลงเพียรู้กันคุ้มลูกที่ไรเราพี่คุ้มลูกที่นี่แต่กี่วันปัดเห็นมันparaจงพี่ปัดดังเยอะที่หะเดี๋ยวเลี้ยกายดังเยอะ